What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is January 18th. So I had to stop and get some gas this morning, so I figured I would tell you guys about GetUpside. It's a great way to get some money back for gas. I've been using their app for like 2 years now, and I've gotten a little over $200 back, which is awesome because it goes straight back to your PayPal. I definitely recommend it, especially if you're a small business owner or you just get gas quite often. It can be worth it, and you can get anywhere from like 4 to 18 to 20 cents a gallon, every gallon of gas you purchase. And if you use my affiliate link down in the description, you'll get 20 cents a gallon off your first fill up. I think I get gas like 3 or 4 times a month. So, it's nice at the end of the year to have 75, 100 bucks extra to spend on, either holiday gifts or whatever. And it's real simple. So you have your receipt. Now I just hit claim, and you select regular, upload receipt. You just take a picture of your receipt, scan it, hit upload, and it usually pays you in like 2 to 3 days. So attach receipt, and yeah, that's it. You'll get your cash back within 2 to 4 days. You can see my balance right there is $74. You can also cash out for gift cards too, which is pretty cool if you want an Amazon card, a Walmart. And I can see here, overall my lifetime earnings was $206. It's like, and it tells you that it's like 8.3 gallons or tanks of gas. So it's pretty cool. If it's something you're interested in, check out the link down below and, save yourself some money on gas. All right, so we're just pulling up to the first stop here. So we're gonna run into this Goodwill and see if they have anything good today. Stop number 1. All right, so I only found a few things at that store, so now we're pulling up to the second location, which is this Goodwill here. All right, so only one shirt here, but sometimes that's just how it goes. So on to the next location. All right. Stop number 3, American Thrift. All right, so just got home from thrifting. I have all the shirts prepped and ready to be listed tomorrow. So now we're gonna pull some orders. So we'll start off with the first one, and that is this Platinum Fubu Fat Albert. Here it is, Fat Albert long sleeve pullover. It's in really good shape. It did have like a little small hole in the front here, but I took a best offer of 55 bucks plus shipping. The next we have these little Lennox Disney character little thimble things. Paid like I think $5 for these a while ago, and they sold for 35 bucks plus shipping. And next we have these X-Out wash-in treatment. I guess they're for acne. I bought these at Ross a while ago. I think I have about $5 or $6 into the lot of 4 of them, and they sold for $18.98 with free shipping. The next in K2 we have a Tommy Bahama short sleeve Hawaiian shirt, sold for $13.50 plus shipping. The next in bin E3, we have this Jane Barnes long sleeve button front, sold for $18.70 plus shipping. The next in bin O1, number 1443, so right on top, we have this Ralph Lauren slim fit stretch Oxford long sleeve. I took a best offer of 12 bucks plus $4.95 shipping. The next again in bin E3, number 342, we have this Walt Disney long sleeve. It's got Winnie the Pooh and Eeyore on the front. This is a women's long sleeve shirt, sold for $15 plus shipping. Then in S3, we have a Polo Ralph Lauren short sleeve featherweight mesh polo shirt, sold for 12 bucks plus shipping. Then in bin V2, which is down here, we have this Columbia Omnifreeze Zero PFG long sleeve, sold for $22.10 plus shipping. Next we have a video game. This is Dr. Muto for Nintendo GameCube, which is right here. This sold for $17.99 with free shipping. Then in W3, we have this Nike short sleeve, Nike Golf standard fit short sleeve polo. Took a best offer of $10 plus shipping. And then finally in bin S2, we have this Tommy Bahama long sleeve 100% linen button front shirt, sold for $18 plus $4.95 shipping. All right, so just got all the orders packed and ready to go out tomorrow. So I figured we'll flip through all the clothes I found today. Found 23 shirts. Cost average was about $4.29. So right about at the $4 mark, which I like to stick to. And first up, we have this Lacoste hidden button down short sleeve shirt. And we have a Lacoste classic fit short sleeve polo. And we have this Polo Ralph Lauren Performance full zip jacket. Nike Golf Tour Performance short sleeve polo. This Nike Tiger Woods short sleeve polo. It's got a really cool like blue paisley pattern. 511 Tactical, another good brand. Polo Ralph Lauren, this is a custom fit short sleeve polo. Another Nike Golf dry fit. This vintage Tommy Hilfiger button down long sleeve. It's got a really cool pattern. Ralph Lauren classic fit XXL. Tommy Bahama Hawaiian shirt. Another Ralph Lauren classic fit XXL. Another Ralph Lauren, I think this is a custom fit, but it's a good size, 4XLT tall. We have a Ralph Lauren Blake. Another Ralph Lauren Blake XXL. Robert Talbot, I think this is a size large. I think this is also a hidden button down. Another Ralph Lauren Classic Fit 3XLT tall. These large sizes really sell well for me. Fashionable Classique button down. This really cool vintage Nike University of Miami polo. Ermenegildo Zegna, good size, 3XT. So, yep, hidden button down as well. Then a Tommy Bahama 100% linen 4XT long sleeve. So, a Nat Nast 100% silk short sleeve shirt, another good size, 3XT. And a Ralph Lauren Classic Fit 4XLT tall. And then the other shirts I picked up yesterday. So that's going to do it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.